In this video, we are going to talk about option buying. And before I start about option buying, let's set up some context. लाइफ में हम एडवेंचर क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज देर इज सम फन एलिमेंट टुवर्ड्स इट, राइट? हम लेह लद्दाख की तरफ बाइक राइड पर क्यों जाते हैं, या फिर बंजी जंपिंग क्यों करते हैं, या कुछ लोग तो पैराशूट डालकर एरोप्लेन से ही कूद जाते हैं. व्हाई इज दैट? इज दैट रिक्वायर्ड इन योर लाइफ? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. लेकिन बट दैट्स एन एडवेंचर, सो दैट एड्स स्पाइस टू योर लाइफ. सो ऑप्शन बाइंग इज अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ एडवेंचर, एंड दैट इज इन द स्टॉक मार्केट. डू यू नीड इट? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. You can have different means of trading and different means of investing, but some people do option buying because that provides you thrill, that kind of adventure. And if you are a person who is also looking for some kind of thrill in the market, then option buying is for you. So out of your capital, you may have 5, 10, 15% of the capital towards option buying. So it's just a kind of adventure. You may lose all of that capital. You have to think about it. Or if it works well for you, then you can earn a lot from that small capital if you get comfortable in option buying. So now let's start with option buying. While I am going to talk about option buying, let me set the context, because market is not just about making money, but it is about curiosity, it's about adventure, and sometimes it's about thrill as well. You want all of those flavors from the market itself. और अगर मैं आपको सही तरीके से बताऊं, serious traders usually build their wealth through structured approaches. They build it through long-term investing, systematic trading, portfolio-based strategies, and that's where 80% of your serious capital should be going. But many traders keep a very small portion, maybe 10, 15, or maybe maximum 20% of their portion of the capital towards adventurism. So when we say adventurism, generally it ends up with option buying kind of adventurism. So it provides you experiment, it provides you learning, and it helps you build your understanding and depth of understanding for the market. It provides you the adrenaline rush when the markets move very fast, when the market drop out, when the market go up, then the option prices explode, and that's the fun kind of activity which many traders seek in the market. So it will have all the high speed moves, it will have quick decision making from your side, and sometimes it has a very powerful price actions. Personally, I also fall in this kind of category. I also enjoy that intellectual kind of challenge, and sometimes the adventure and thrill of getting into the option buying kind of setup. So if you are also someone who enjoys that kind of mindset, that kind of thrill in the market, then this course is for you. But before we go further, there is something extremely important for you to understand. Let me say something which most educator will not say openly, because that impacts their business. So option buying is extremely a risky business. और सच कहूँ तो 90% of the traders lose in option buying kind of setup, and it is not because market is unfair, but this is because the dynamics of option buying are such that if you are not having a proper structure to trade, do the option buying kind of trading, then you are bound to lose. So many people just buy random calls, many people just buy random puts, और उसके बाद वो देखते हैं कि ऑप्शन प्रीमियम धीरे धीरे उनका जीरो की तरफ बढ़ जाता है. अगर मार्केट अप मूव भी लेती है और उन्होंने कॉल ऑप्शन खरीदी हुई है, तो भी उसका कई बार उनको बेनिफिट नहीं होता, क्योंकि मार्केट में प्रीमियम जीरो होने लग जाता है एज वी प्रोसीड टुवर्ड्स एक्सपायरी. So before we go further, I want you to be very clear. This course is not about gambling. This is about understanding how momentum actually works in the market and how to approach this risky strategy of option buying. So it is a structured approach. If it fits well with your mindset, it's good. If it doesn't, you should just leave it. There are so many other ways you can go on our website. There are so many structured way of earning from the market. You can adopt any of those ways. So most option buyers start their day like market opens. They look at the Nifty or Bank Nifty, and then they have a simple question कि आज मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा या मार्केट नीचे जाएगा, and then they buy call and then they buy put accordingly, but they don't have a structure. Sometimes they get lucky, they feel confident, and then in another times they suffer losses and they feel dejected. Because if you have a structure, whether you are earning or whether you are losing, you know why you are earning, why you are losing, and what is your exit criteria, what is your entry point, so you don't feel dejection from the market. You understand that all of that is a part of the game, and if you stick to particular strategy, then you will earn sooner or later. तो जब मार्केट तेजी से मूव करती है तो ऑप्शन प्रीमियम्स एक्सप्लोड हो जाते हैं, लेकिन जब मार्केट साइडवेज रहता है तब ऑप्शन बायर्स के लिए प्रॉब्लम ये है कि टाइम डिके होने के कारण ऑप्शन के जो प्राइसेस हैं वो डिके होने लग जाते हैं और उनका लॉस स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड दिस इज द मेन रीजन व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रेडर्स फ्रॉम ऑप्शन बाइंग साइड स्ट्रगल. दे आर ट्राइंग टू प्रेडिक्ट द मार्केट इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्रेडिंग द मोमेंटम इन द मार्केट. फॉर ऑप्शन बाइंग, मोमेंटम इज द ओनली की. नाउ हियर इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. प्रोफेशनल traders don't wake up and guess market direction. Instead, they wait wait for the specific conditions in the market, they wait for the momentum, they wait for the breakouts in the market, they wait for the breakdowns in the market, and then they hope for the strong directional movement based on those circumstances. And सबसे important part ये है, they don't manually scan 50 to 100 charts a day. They use scanners. So scanners will automatically identify stocks for you, and then you can choose from those stocks and you can make final decision from those stocks, whether you want to get into the trade with those stocks or you don't want to get into the trade with those stocks. और यही exactly इस कोर्स के अंदर हम बताने वाले हैं. Now before I explain the framework and we go further, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever thought that if 90% of the retail traders are losing in option buying, then who are the other 10% who are gaining? So if 90% is losing, somebody must be gaining, right? Market is a zero-sum game from this at least trading perspective. So just think about that for a moment, because markets are not random. There is somebody who is earning while 90% of the people are losing. So who is that person? So the people who are gaining are the professionals who are participating in the trading in a structured way. They understand the momentum, they understand the market dynamics, and they get into the market at a particular point of time, and then they exit from the market when they have achieved their targeted profit. So all of that means that real skill is not in predicting the direction of the market for option buying, but the real skill is identifying when the momentum is going to build up. And this is where the scanners change the game. Predicting the direction of the market is very, very important in all other kind of trading aspect, but not with the option buying. So inside this course, what you are going to understand, I will show you a very practical framework based on the three simple ideas. So first idea, we identify the overall trend of the market, and that will be kind of long-term exponential moving averages. Secondly, we will detect the short-term trend in the market. So we will be talking about the faster exponential moving averages. And the third, we use scanners like Streak to automatically find those kind of setup. और आपको पूरे दिन चार्ट के सामने बैठने की जरूरत नहीं है. Instead, scanners आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि किस किस स्टॉक के अंदर मूव आ सकता है या आने वाला है, और based on that you will do a manual scan of those filtered out stock, and then you will make a decision whether it is going to go up, because momentum आपका ऊपर भी हो सकता है, momentum आपका नीचे भी हो सकता है. So accordingly you will enter into the call or put buying. So now why is this powerful? Think about it. Instead of manually checking 50 stocks, multiple indices and different time frames, the scanner automatically tells you where the momentum is building and when momentum comes in the market, and that is when the option premium can move very, very quickly, sometimes within minutes, within seconds, and that gives you the profit which you are looking for. So this approach works particularly well for Nifty 50 stock, Nifty 50 Bank Nifty kind of indexes, and the liquid F&O stock, because these instruments, or the names which I have just taken, these instruments often show a strong intraday move where you can actually earn the profit, and these are liquid also. Now what you are going to learn in this course, so inside this course you are going to learn how the momentum works well in option trading, how to identify the momentum, how to identify the momentum stock, how to build your scanners with the Streak, what kind of rules you are going to put up so that you identify the momentum stock, how you are going to identify the bullish setup, how you are going to identify the bearish setup, how breakout trade can trigger rapid option expansion, and most importantly how to approach all of these trades with proper risk control and the target management. You will also see the real chart examples showing how the setups actually play out in the market. Now let's talk about risk transparency. Now I want to slow down for a moment because this is extremely important. Intraday option buying is not a stable income strategy. यह एक tactical strategy है which is really highly risky strategy. So even with a good system, you cannot ensure that you are going to have the income generated for you. You may suffer the losses. You may end up in the losses by the end of the month. So I strongly recommend that people learn this strategy very well before jumping into the options. So they should be having very minimal capital towards option buying first so that they get comfortable. You don't have to put your life saving into it, and you must not do any borrowed money utilization for options trading. Professional traders usually treat strategies like these as a small portion of their overall trading activity. So जैसा मैंने पहले बताया था कि प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर्स भी 5 से 20% के बीच डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर रिस्क एपिटाइट ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग के लिए अपना अलग से बफर रखते हैं, वो उसी के थ्रू ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करते हैं. So and for rest of the things they use other structured approaches. So let me just give you one example. So suppose I have earned 1 lakh rupees in a particular month from other strategies, right, which are more stable, more structured strategies, which you can go through my website and you can understand those strategies. So suppose you have earned 1 lakh, right? तो उस 1 lakh में से next month आपके पास 1 lakh का बफर है. उस 1 lakh में से आप 80,000 को आप डिप्लॉय कीजिए अपनी स्टेबल स्ट्रेटेजिक लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ क्रिएशन स्ट्रेटजीज के लिए एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए. मे बी 15-20 1,000 रुपीज यू कैन जस्ट फेच आउट फॉर ट्राइंग इनटू द ऑप्शन बाइंग। तो अगर आपका 50,000 का लॉस है, उसी हिसाब से आप 5,000 आप ऑप्शन बाइंग के लिए रख सकते हैं। ऑप्शन बाइंग आप मिनिमम कितने से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो वंस यू गेट कंफर्टेबल, देन इट्स ओनली यू हु इज गोइंग टू डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट टू स्टिक टू ऑप्शन बाइंग और यू कैन जस्ट कीप 5 to 10% of your portfolio as option buying, or you want to just leave option buying altogether and stick to the other wealth creation strategies in the market. So now let me share you something very interesting which many traders realize after being in the market for many years. The traders who survive longest in the market are not the ones who are chasing excitement. जो excitement वाले option buying सेक्टर के लिए ज्यादा भागते हैं फुल कैपिटल से, वो मार्केट के अंदर ज्यादा सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाते। लेकिन मार्केट के अंदर वो सर्वाइव करते हैं, कंसिस्टेंट इनकम फ्लो जनरेट करते हैं मार्केट से, और वो एक लॉन्ग टर्म वेल्थ जनरेशन स्ट्रेटजी के ऊपर काम करते हैं। So those strategies are not exciting, those could be kind of boring, but those are the refined system and slowly they build wealth for you. But what happens when you get into option buying with small capital? Your depth of understanding for the market increases a lot, because you have to think on your feet for the market, why it is taking particular kind of move, why is it going to take another kind of move. And just imagine for 6 months if you have practiced that in the live market environment, तो आपकी मार्केट के अंदर स्किल इतनी डेवलप हो जाएगी that it will be so easier for you to understand other structured income generation technique. आप उसके अंदर आप अच्छे से अपना रेगुलर इनकम फ्लो बना सकते हैं। So over time, serious traders realize something very important. So real wealth from the market usually comes from the structured and stable approaches. So things like systematic income strategies, IFEF, market mining approach, that's our flagship MMA approach is there. Apart from that, there are other approaches we have listed in our website, so you can go through them. So intraday option buying can be an interesting tactical move from your side to build your understanding, depth of understanding, which I have already mentioned. And in our advanced program, we go much deeper on these stable wealth generating technique. And certainly with a just minimum investment of 99 rupees, you can go through my webinar and ask the questions there. I will completely open up like how we are going to build those strategies which are kind of income generation strategies. And if you want, then you can enroll in those courses as well. Now let's talk about who this course is for. So this course is ideal for intraday traders, all kind of other traders who are actually having a mature mindset. They understand the risk of option buying and they understand how to control themselves. It is good for the traders who want actually momentum buying, who want to play in the swing trading kind of games. So if someone is looking for quick money, guaranteed returns every month, 15%, 20%, 50% kind of returns, because उन्हें loss ही suffer करना पड़ेगा, that I can put up with 100% guarantee. So markets reward discipline, patience, and your strategy and your learning. So if you want to understand how momentum works in the option market, how scanners identify the opportunities, and how they can help you, and if you want to understand how to approach intraday option buying with a proper structured framework, then this course will give you a clear starting point. Inside you will find step-by-step lessons, scanner setup, chart templates which are generally repeated chart templates which you will see and you will act on those chart templates, and the practical risk management. And remember, और आप ये बात जरूर ध्यान रखें कि आपकी ओवरऑल ट्रेडिंग जर्नी का ये बहुत ही स्मॉल पार्ट है, जहां पर अगर आप अच्छे से ट्रेडिंग करते हैं या अच्छे से इसको लर्न करते हैं तो आपकी डेप्थ ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंक्रीज होगी और ओवरऑल आपको मार्केट के अंदर काफी बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करेगी. So this focus is on learning of the new skill. So focus on learning this skill and build up your understanding of how the markets work. And I will see you inside my course. Thank you.